This homeowner thought they needed to replace the entire door, but I was able to save them hundreds of dollars in less than half an hour. Okay, folks, teacher handyman here. This door right here came off the hinge, and there's no literally there's no wood for it to catch. There's some wood down there, but we're just gonna rehang the door for the client. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna move the hinge, because since here was bad, we're gonna move the hinge down here. So it would allow it to catch some more meat on the actual door down there. And we're gonna move that one as well. So it just grabs some meat. So in order to do that, we're gonna take the door outside and actually route it with the router. Let's take the hinges off. Take that one off there. Okay, so there's the part I marked where we're gonna route out for the hinge to go. So I'm gonna go something like that there. Now I can't use my router and show you at the same time, but yeah, this is the little router here. I'm just gonna use to route that out. Okay, so I'm rerouted where the hinges are gonna go. The bottom hinge, I just moved slightly so that now it's gonna catch different screws here. It's gonna be like this. So originally with the screw hole line up there, but in order for me to catch different spots, I'm just gonna move it over. And now the screw hole is gonna line up like that. And when we go to the door jamb, it's gonna be hung at a different position as well. Okay, so I moved where the hinges was so they can hang on a different part. Let's see if I can show you. So essentially, instead of being there, move the hinge to there, and I move that bottom hinge a little bit higher. So this way now, when I put the screw on, it's gonna catch. It doesn't look like that was ever routed, and down there looks like it was also already routed. So I'm gonna try that without routing it, because I don't wanna create too big of a gap anyway. The hardest part right now is to align this with that. So let's do that. Now, generally what I use these shims to accomplish this. The shims allow me to go down or up as much as I want. And then once I figure out how high I need to be on both sides of the door, and I can mark with my hinges. So using my shims, now I kind of know where it needs to be. And I'm not sure if you can see, but the door is in. I still have a little bit more space to go, so that's fine. I'm just gonna raise this up a little bit, but that gives me a good sense of where the hinges need to be screwed on. Okay, here you have it. See, the new hinge has been moved up slightly. Allow it to grab a little bit more. So the client has agreed to like fix all of this. They just wanted me to just hang the door, and then so yeah, there we go.